morning, class.
Good morning, Mom.
Okay, so our lesson for today is about lexicography. Before we proceed for our lesson, let me ask you about lexicography. So ano nga ba ang unang pumapasok sa utak ninyo, sa isip ninyo, kapag naririnig nyo o nababasa nyo ang word na lexicography? Anyone?
Mom,
Okay, yes?
lexicography, it is the process of editing or writing or compiling a dictionary.
Yes, exactly. That is one of the definition of lexicography. So, sit na tayo. We have introduction for lexicography. Okay, when we say lexicon, meaning word. And then, graphy, form of writing. So, that is lexicography. Next. Okay, so what is lexicography nga ba? Okay. Tatlo yung nakuhanan ko ng definition ng lexicography. Ayon kay Samuel Johnson, first English lexicographer, art or practice of writing dictionaries. So, yun. Then, according to David Crystal, the process of compiling dictionary, the art and science of dictionary making. And then, according to Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary, the theory and practice of writing and editing dictionary. So, ayan, yung mga definition na nakuha ko about lexicography. Next. So, we have components of lexicography. We have two. The first one is practical lexicography and theoretical lexicography. So, when we say practical lexicography, is the art or craft of compiling, writing, and editing dictionaries. Okay? So, pag sinabi namang theoretical, analysis siya. Analysis or description of the vocabulary of a particular language and the meaning that links certain words to others in a dictionary. So, ang difference lang yung dalawa, basta pag sinabing practical, compiling, writing, and editing. Then, pag sinabi namang theoretical, analysis siya. Yeah, ganun lang yun, ang difference ng dalawa. Next. So, we have aspects of lexicography. Una, profiling the intended users and identifying their needs. Okay, so, next, choosing the appropriate structures for presenting the data in a dictionary. Another is selecting words and affixes for systematization as entries. Selecting collocations, phrases, and examples. So, madami siya. Diba? Choosing lemma forms for each word or part of word to be lemmatized. Then, defining words, organizing definitions, specifying pronunciation. So, that is all the aspects of lexicography. Okay, ano nga ba ang lexicographer? So, what is lexicographer? Anong pinagkaiba niya sa lexicography? Anyone?
The person involved in writing dictionaries.
Okay, so tama yung sinabi ni Irene. Lexicographer is someone who writes or contributes to a dictionary or a dictionaries. Okay, next, proceed na tayo sa structure of lexicography. So, we have... Okay, so... Who can give me one structure of lexicography? Anyone?
Table of contents.
Yes! That is the number one structure of lexicography. We have table of contents. So, makikita naman natin siya dun sa mismong front ng book na yun nga, yung table of contents. Makikita natin doon. Usually found on a page before the start of a written work. Okay. Sino pa? Who can give me another one structure of lexicography?
Preface.
Yes, preface. Diba kadalasan naman talaga nakikita natin yan sa book? That is a preliminary statement or essay introducing a book that explains its scope, intention, or background, and it's usually written by the author. Okay, next, we have instruction. So, instruction, the act of instructing, teaching, or furnishing with knowledge, information. So, yun. Ganun na naman kasimple. We have definition. Diba? Basic lang. Pag sinabing definition, this explains the meaning of the entry word if there is more than one meaning. Ganun. Next, word origin, or that is etymology. Shows the origin of the entry word. Kung ano ba yung pinagmulan ng word na yun. So, we have pronunciation guide. So, makikita natin, diba, sa dictionary. We can see in a dictionary, for example, like this, fidget. So, meron siyang pronunciation guide kung paano natin babasahin yung isang word. For example nga, fidget. So, makikita mo sa dictionary, pag sinearch mo yan, may malalabas din na kung paano mo siya i-pronounce yung isang word. Okay, so next, parts of speech. Meron ding parts of speech dyan pag ka ng dictionary. So, makikita mo, kung nag-search ka ng word na dictionary. So, may lalabas dyan kung ano siya, kung noun ba siya, o verb, or basta gano'n, may malalabas dyan. So, ang tawag dun ay parts of speech. Okay, next, appendices. Okay, so appendices, ang sabi dyan, supplementary material. So, next, abbreviations. So, alam ko naman, familiar tayo dyan sa abbreviations. A shortened or contracted form of a word or phrase used to represent the whole as, for example, yung doctor, yung D and R, for doctor, US for United States. Tapos ACC for account. So, yan, may abbreviations din. Next, symbols. A letter, figure, or other character, mark, or combinations of letters of the like used to designate something. So, may mga symbols ka din dyan na makikita para mas ma-figure out mo kung ano ba yung ibig sabihin nun. So, ginagamitan din ng symbols. So, next, bibliography. Ayun. Makikita din yan sa pinakaduluduluhan ng book or ng dictionary. So, yun, bibliography, the history or systematic description of books, their authorship, printing, publication, edition, etc. So, yun. We have example, bibliography. Okay, next. Last na to, index. So, last structure of lexicography, we have index. So, talagang makikita mo to sa likod ng book. Alphabetical siya, alphabetical list that is printed at the back of the book, tells you on which pages important topics are referred to. So, yun. Example, index. Okay, so conclusion of our lesson, lexicography involves theory and practice of dictionary making. The purpose is to answer all of everybody's question about words without knowing in advance what the questions are going to be. Okay, so the lexicographer must consider the needs, expectations, and limitations of the dictionary user. Okay, so siguro naman may mga natutunan naman kayo sa discussions ko. So, I prepare an activity. So, you need to answer this in 10 minutes only. Okay, so get one and pass. Okay, so very good kayo sa activity na binigay ko. Matataas naman yung scores. And then, sa ngayon, you have a take-home task. Okay, so read the following items, answer each number in one paragraph. You may just write your answer on a white sheet of paper. And don't forget to write your full name, course code, and the date of submission. So we have 2 questions lang naman. Okay, so thank you class for attending my class. So I hope you learned a lot about lexicography. So, okay, you may now dismiss. Thank you for listening.